Beyond borders, boundless futures. Beyond borders, boundless futures.
We came from different streets.
Different languages.
Different stories.
Some carried dreams.
Some carried doubts.
Some arrived certain.
Some arrived afraid.
Yet here we are, together.
We crossed sleepless nights.
Impossible deadlines.
Failures.
Comebacks.
We learn that courage is not the absence of fear,
but the decision to move forward.
People speak of borders as lines, lines on maps, lines between nations,
Between cultures.
Between people.
Between ideologies.
but the hardest borders to cross are the ones within ourselves.
I'm not good enough.
I'll never succeed.
What if I'm
No more!
We are larger than our fears.
Stronger than our setbacks.
braver than our uncertainty?
We are the generation that refuses to be limited by borders of race, of status, of language, of expectations. We refuse war and embrace peace.
Because the future does not belong to those who stay comfortable. It belongs to the curious.
And the courageous.
Today we graduate.
Tomorrow, we transform the world. No border can contain a determined mind. No obstacle can silence a hopeful voice. No distance can stop a united generation.